Somebody multitasking.
Huh?
Yeah, actually, you got away completely. The only thing you tore up was the plastic cover on your bumper. Which actually is pretty much fine. This is actually what hit your CV bracket, caved in and dented in the corner.
Is that winch still good? Or the little CB line, is it kinked or?
Looks fine.
Okay, I just want to make sure it's not cut or.
That's fucked up right here, but all that happened actually. Your skirt's still on. Ready? You ready, fucker?
Keep going.
I gotta get in front of you. I'm getting out of the way, you do this.
Don't throw it up over the hood, you don't wrap it up enough.
So pull it in tight. There you go. Can't you get up there on your own?
No, I had my foot in the gas the whole time. Alright, hold the brake. I've got it.
You're good.
It's just because it's slick with all these leaves and loose.
Yeah, but you'd be spinning. You didn't spin, were you?
Yeah. It's open lock. It's open different.
Oh, I know. Oh, hell yeah, you were all the way up.
Yeah. That side spinning the whole time.
Fucking, that's one thing that really is worthless. Need some lockers to really do this.
I've got a locker for the front end. If I had a locker, oh. Pull it. Pull it. Out.
Hang on, stop. Go.
Whoa. Okay. Pull it for now.